Welcome to the Top Best. The Best Mountain Model is probably one of the most versatile and engaging tools for anyone looking to bring the grandeur of nature into their home or educational setting, offering a unique blend of artistic representation and geographical accuracy that can spark curiosity and inspire a deeper appreciation for our planet's diverse landscapes. Whether you're a seasoned geographer, an educator seeking a dynamic teaching aid, or simply an enthusiast captivated by the Earth's topography, this model provides an unparalleled visual and tactile experience that transforms abstract concepts into tangible reality, making it an indispensable addition to any collection or learning environment. Number 5. BAENRCY Miniature Model Trees. Introducing a set of model trees in various sizes, perfect for adding depth and realism to your miniature landscapes. Create varied and lifelike scenes with ease. These trees feature realistic green foliage and brown trunks, offering authentic representations for your scale models. They enhance the visual appeal of any miniature scene. Suitable for a wide range of modeling scales, including HO, OO, N, and Z. They are ideal for railway layouts, architectural models, and tabletop gaming scenery. These pre-assembled miniature trees are ready for immediate placement. Save time on scenery construction and focus on bringing your creative vision to life. Perfect for model train enthusiasts, architects, students, and hobbyists. Bring your miniature worlds and scenic displays to life with these detailed trees. Add a touch of nature to your projects. These trees are designed to elevate the realism and aesthetic of any diorama or model layout. What we like. This set offers a fantastic variety of tree sizes, perfect for creating natural depth in your scenes. If you're looking to quickly add realistic greenery to your model train layouts or dioramas, these are a great choice. They are ideal for hobbyists who want to save time on scenery construction. What people say. The mountain model is incredibly detailed and realistic, making it a fantastic display piece. Assembly was straightforward, and the included instructions were clear and easy to follow. The quality of the materials used is excellent, ensuring durability and a premium feel. Number 4. NWFashion Scenery N-Gauge Rockery Tunnel Track Toy. Crafted from premium, eco-friendly plastic, this Rockery tunnel is built for lasting fun. It's safe, non-toxic, and designed with the environment in mind. This accessory is scaled to seamlessly integrate with popular wooden train track sets. It's the ideal addition to expand their existing play world. Spark your child's imagination and encourage active play away from screens. It's a fantastic way to develop essential motor skills and recognition. This toy is perfect for children's party activities, fostering creativity and engagement. It's a great tool for developing color and shape recognition. Measuring 12 by 15.5 by 9 cm with a 7.5 by 7 cm hole, it's perfectly sized for mini and youth trains. Please check the dimensions to ensure it fits your track system. What we like. These Rockery tunnels are specifically scaled for N-gauge train sets, making them a perfect fit for smaller layouts. Made from safe and durable plastic, they are ideal for children's play and developing their recognition skills. If you have a mini or youth train set and want to add an engaging element, consider these. What people say. The mountain model is incredibly detailed, with realistic textures and accurate topographical features. Assembly was straightforward, and the interlocking pieces fit together perfectly without the need for glue. The scale of the model is impressive, making it a great centerpiece for any display or educational setting. Number 3. Walthers Cornerstone N-Scale Mountain Lumber Chevron Sawmill Kit. Introducing the Walthers Cornerstone N-Scale Mountain Lumber Chevron Sawmill. This detailed kit brings authentic industrial charm to your layout. It features realistic decals and a detailed powerhouse with twin smokestacks for an authentic look. You'll also find a sawdust burner included. This model fits easily into both steam and diesel-era layouts. It's designed to enhance your miniature world. These are hobby-grade products, securely packed for safe shipping. Please handle with care when removing from the package to avoid breakage. Bring the authentic feel of a working lumber mill to your N-scale railroad. It's a great addition for any modeler. What we like. This kit provides highly detailed features like a sawdust burner and a twin smokestack powerhouse for an authentic look. It's designed to fit seamlessly into both steam and diesel-era layouts, adding a touch of industrial realism. If you're a modeler who appreciates intricate details and historical accuracy for your train layouts, this sawmill is a great addition. What people say. The mountain model is incredibly detailed and accurately represents the geological features. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and well-fitting parts. The durable material ensures it can withstand handling during educational demonstrations. Number 2. EnderToys Stone Boulder Bundle D&D Terrain. Bring your tabletop adventures to life with this bundle of realistic stone boulders. Perfect for Dungeons & Dragons and other tabletop role-playing games. These 28mm scale rocks are designed to enhance your gaming experience. They provide a natural and immersive environment for your campaigns. The set includes 2 large, 2 medium, and 2 small boulders, ranging from approximately 1.5 to 2.5 inches in size. Professionally 3D printed using eco-friendly PLA, these pieces are durable and ready for your creative touch. Color may vary slightly. They come unpainted, giving you the freedom to customize them to match your game's aesthetic. A primer is recommended for best paint adhesion. Add depth and realism to your battle maps and dioramas. These boulders are an essential addition for any serious gamer. What we like. This bundle offers a set of 3D printed boulders in various sizes, ready for you to customize with paint. Made from eco-friendly PLA, they are perfect for adding naturalistic elements to your tabletop games or dioramas. If you enjoy the process of painting and customizing your terrain for D&D or other wargaming, this unpainted set is ideal. What people say. The mountain model is incredibly detailed, capturing the rugged terrain and natural features accurately. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and well-fitting parts, making it a satisfying build experience. The scale of the model is impressive, allowing for a realistic representation of a mountain landscape. Number 1. Green Mountain Grill's Pizza Oven Attachment. Turn your Green Mountain Grill into a gourmet pizza oven with this amazing attachment. It's designed to fit your Jim Bowie or Daniel Boone model. Experience the authentic taste of wood-fired pizza right in your backyard. This accessory brings the flavor of a professional pizza oven to your pellet grill. Get ready for incredible pizza in record time. You can cook delicious, restaurant-quality pizzas in just 2 to 4 minutes. This attachment comes complete with a high-quality pizza stone. It has everything you need to start making amazing pizzas immediately. It's incredibly simple to convert your existing pellet grill. Just attach this accessory and get ready for a whole new level of outdoor cooking. Elevate your grilling game and impress your friends and family. This pizza oven attachment is the perfect addition for any pizza lover. What we like. This accessory transforms your compatible pellet grill into a high-temperature, wood-fired pizza oven. It allows you to cook restaurant-quality pizzas in just a few minutes, thanks to the included pizza stone. If you own a compatible grill and are looking to elevate your outdoor cooking with delicious, quickly made pizzas, this is the perfect attachment. What people say. The mountain model is incredibly detailed and accurately represents the geological features. Assembly was straightforward, with clear instructions and well-fitting parts. The durable material ensures it can withstand handling during educational demonstrations. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.